بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. So today inshallah we're going to go through the second type of phrase. So the recap is sentences are made of slots. Each slot is a single word, but at times you can break this single word down into what? Into phrases. So instead of having one word taking a slot, two words can join together to take the part of a slot. As we did, for example, Arsalallahu Rasulan Kareeman. So two words join together to become what? The maf'ul. Two words can join together to become mubtada. So the way we did it before was via mawsuf sifa. With the mawsuf sifa joined to become what? A single unit, a single entity. Making sense? Today I want to discuss with you the demonstrative phrase. What does demonstrative phrase mean? Let me give you an example. I've got a man here. He's close to me. If I want to point at him, what would I say? I would say, this man. Correct?
Yeah.
I say this man is good, this man is bad, this man is tall, this man is skinny, fat, whatever. If it's far away, what do I say? That. Correct? Yeah. So you have this and you have that in English. If you have lots of people and they're close, what do you say? These. You have lots of them and they're far away, what do you say? Those. You see how in English we use this? So now what happens then, the word this will then join to the word after. We'll discuss that tomorrow inshallah. But for now to understand that in Arabic, the particular words that we use for joining. This, that, these, those. Obviously use the Arabic. What's the Arabic for that? So for example, in this scenario, you're going to point at somebody and they're close to you. What word would you use for that? You will say, هذا. So this. Yeah? But you have to remember now in Arabic, we don't have only singular. Yes. You got the jewel. So now it makes it more complicated. You just don't have this. You seem happy to see the complication. You just don't have this and these. You have this. But then for jewel, what do you have now? هذاني. When you translate this in English, you say these because it's a plural. Because in English, two is counted as plural. The threshold for plural in English is two or more. Sorry, it's two or more. And in Arabic, the threshold is three or more. This is jewel tasniya. But you still have, so you have a separate word for this, hadani. You see how the ani comes on it?
Yeah.
Like other words, see how it links back the patterns? And if you have more than one, you've got a whole set of these people. Then what do you say for these? Ha'ula'i. Yeah. Ha'ula'i. So these. You see? So instead of four words, you're going to have six. Because why? You have hada, singular and plural, plus you have what? Jewel. So how many will you have?
Three.
So in English you'll have this, that, and these and those. So four. In Arabic you're going to have? Three for these, this jewel, this.
Yeah.
And then you have that jewel and that, plural. Correct? So how many altogether?
Masculine.
Yeah, and then you have to remember, in English, in Arabic, what do you have to consider as well?
Okay.
Feminine. So you're going to have 12. So if it's a female, you're going to say, هذه. If it's two females, what would you say? هاتاني. You have a whole group of females, you're going to say, هؤلاء. So هؤلاء, masculine and plural, masculine and feminine is the same. Same, there's no change. Okay? And if you have the men are far away, you will say, ذلك. For two of them, you will say, ذلك. And for more than two, a whole group of men, you will say, أولئك. And if you have females, you would say, تلك. For two of them, تانك. And a whole group, you would say, أولئك.
You know the dual from feminine and male, ذلك and تانك. Why is it not ذلكاني or تانك?
Because if you look at the whole table here, the ani comes here, hadani, hatani, and dhani, tani. The ani comes before the kaf.
It's just the way it is.
This is the way it is. So this is the whole table in front of us. Okay? Now if you look at it here, we have mudhakkar, mu'annath. Correct? And then within mudhakkar you have wahid tasniya jam', wahid tasniya jam'. Then you have qareeb, meaning this, close. So you have qareeb. And then you have ba'id, which means far. Huh? Far.
Yeah.
So those, that and those. So in English you have this, that, these, those. There's not a separate table for feminine. In Arabic you have separate table for feminine, that makes it 8. Then you have to add a form for the jewel. So you get 12 altogether. And it's something you need to learn properly. And there's a set of words which come over and over again in the Arabic language. Very, very commonly used. So هذا, هذان, هؤلاء. هذه, هاتان, هؤلاء. The plural for masculine, مذكر, and feminine, مؤنث are both the same. هؤلاء, هؤلاء. You got it? So هذا, read after me, هذا, هذان, هؤلاء. Then هذه, هاتان, هؤلاء. And then for the far, بعيد, you say ذلك, ذانك, أولئك. Now the thing to remember about this أولئك, this waw is silent. It's not أولئك. It's written, not pronounced. Yes, so this waw, as I was saying, this waw is silent. You don't say أولئك, you say أولئك. Even for example here, you will see, you don't write the dha alif after the dha. You just write dha and then we write the standing alif or the alif khanjariya. Dhalika. Dhanika ulaika, not ulaika. So it's dhalika, you have to dhalika, dhanika, ulaika. And tilka, tanika, and ulaika. No, it's not ulaika. What is it? Ulaika with the waw, silent. Okay? So these are the 12 words you need to remember. And these are very, very commonly used words. So take some time out and learn these. Okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Any other questions? Okay. Now how these are used, I'll explain tomorrow inshallah. But I just want you to understand the concept of these 12 different words. So if you're pointing to something which is close to you, then you have to think, well, is it masculine or feminine? If it's masculine, you use this table. And if it's this table, these 3. If it's feminine, you use these 3. And if the thing you're pointing towards is far, you use these 3 for masculine and these 3 for feminine. You point towards one man, what would you say? Hada. 2, not only men, but anything masculine. 2 you say? And more than 2? Haulai. As a female, you say? Dual female? And plural female? Same as the masculine. And if it's far away, you say? And dual? Plural? Singular feminine? Ulaika. You see? So this is the table you need to remember. So tomorrow what you learn is هذا, هذان, هؤلاء. هذه, هاتان, هؤلاء. ذلك, ذانك, أولئك, تلك, تانك, أولئك. And make sure you get these 6. Learn properly. Yes, you get a printed copy. It's also in your books. It's also in the book there. Which page is it on?
Page 21.
Page 21, the list is there. Okay? Yeah. So make sure you learn these. And tomorrow, inshallah, we'll discuss how we use this as a phrase. Correct? Yeah?
Yeah.
We stop there today, inshallah? Any questions? No? Good? سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك